Hello everyone! Welcome to Milton
and Mariane.
No! You say Milton, I say Mariane. Let's go. Hello everyone! Welcome to
Milton
and Mariane channel. So in today's video, it's my first time to try the
Subway!
Yes!
So Mariane didn't want a regular sandwich. She saw, I guess, on the commercial, Subway wrap.
So heavy!
This is the sandwich.
Oh my god, that's so long. So I will try both of this. So this one I picked this flavor, and then this one Milton picked that flavor. And while we're trying it, I will read some comments. Okay, let's get started.
Oh, leaking.
Cut in half. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of meat.
So what's inside is beef or steak, onion, cucumber, what's that? Lettuce, bell pepper, onion, and then the sauce is just sweet onion. Yeah, and mozzarella cheese. Ta-da! Kain! Wow. Reminds me of shawarma. It's so good.
I feel the sweet onion is really sweet.
I think it's good. I think I love it.
Really? Hello po, Mariane. Ano po yung visa ang ginamit mo para makapunta dyan sa Amerika?
Hello to Mildred Blanco. She's asking if what kind of visa that I use to go to America because it's my first meeting. So the latest video that we upload saying 2021, it's not our first ever meeting. It's our first meeting year 2021. Hello to Lisa Amoto. I remember me too. I asked to my fiance before and now he's my hubby to order McDonald's buy my first food here in Florida. So we are same.
That was Marianne's first meal in America too.
Yeah, McDonald's. So we are the same, sis Lisa.
Okay, next is mine. So I ordered the chicken, bacon, ranch melt. The bread is Italian herbs and cheeses. I can smell it. Italian?
You cannot.
Marianne's bread is
Spinach.
wrap.
Milton was like, is that green? It's orange.
It looks orange
No,
to me.
it's
Like,
green.
for those that
still-
don't know, I'm like kind of colorblind.
Is it still orange for you?
When I look in the camera, it's green, but when I look in the actual, it looks orange.
What's color this?
That's green.
What's color this?
Orange. It's brown.
Comment down below if it's orange.
So look at this. Oh.
Wow.
Bacon, onion, ranch, and then I put some chipotle sauce, jalapenos also.
So it's spicy.
Yeah. I think it's good. I like yours. It tastes more light.
And thank you so much for sharing this, Marian. This is a great help for me. Soon also. God bless you always. Hi, Sis Regine Real. Yan, good luck sa'yo sa magiging interview mo sa CFO.
They call hand tissue here as napkin. They call tissue for the one we use in the toilet.
From Yol Castro. What does he mean? Is that bad?
Well,
Hate comment?
no. Like toilet paper. We call that tissue in America. And he's just saying it's funny. And then this, what do you call this? Hand tissue?
Tissue.
Well, here in America, they call it napkin.
Napkin in Philippines is pads.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, pads modest.
It says kilig. It's
You
from Jenny Castillo.
You know what's kilig?
I'm like feeling,
How?
giddy.
How's your kinikilig?
Yeah!
Happy for both of you. Ayan, galing kay Geraldine Lazaro. Hi, Geraldine Lazaro. Oh my God! Finally, inaabangan ko po talaga kayo since the very start. Congratulations po Thank you so much, sis.
Sophia Mari Laurel.
It's great that you're able to upload a video every day now. Always looking forward for the next one. From Mark K. Okay, I am becoming. Sabi niya, oh, so sweet you too. Hello kay sis Gemlab. Sabi niya, thank you for this info, sis. God bless. God bless you too, sis.
From Retro Hype. Tanong lang po, anong dating site or app na nag-meet kayo ng fiancé mo, ma'am? Sana ma-reply mo ito. Thanks. We didn't use the dating site, we used Omegle. We found ourselves accidentally. And
Accidentally.
yeah, accidentally. Just randomly. And then we became Facebook friends and here we are now.
Link in the description box of how we met.
There's my version and also her version.
Yes. Okay, from Lillian to Nate, what's the purpose of CFO?
Was the final thing that or requirement for Filipinos to leave the country on a visa. I don't think there might be an equivalent for other countries, but that's specifically for Philippines. It's like another gateway to make sure that you're not defrauding people and to make sure doing the right thing. Like there's another interview. How do you know each other? You have to send proof of meeting. And then they give you information about what to do when you get here, like that sort of thing.
I'm new subscriber po. Sana makilala ko pa kayo ng lubos. Kakapanood ko lang po ng vlog nyo kagabi, ha. Ang ganda mo, ate. Pa-shoutout naman. Hi, Sarah Garcia. Sarah Garcia said that she's a new subscriber and she's hoping that she will know us more. And she just watched us last night, I think.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sis. Shout out sa'yo, sis Sarah Garcia. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So this is really, 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 really good. The sweet onion really make it really delicious. Oh, for me, this is really, really good. And I will want to try this again. So $7 each. And in the Philippines, that's how much?
$3.50.
Oh my god, $3.50 each? Expensive. Never mind, I will not eat again. You want more of mine?
Okay.
Gusto mo to?
Yeah.
Sabihin mo sa akin ng Tagalog. Humingi ka sa akin ng Tagalog.
Paki, gusto mo yan. Wait, gusto ko yan.
Oh, sige. Ano gusto mo? Malaki, maliit?
Mali.
Sarap, no? Okay, guys, so there's another food that Milton first time to try, and this is my favorite Mogu Mogu, Yakult flavor or yogurt flavor. So in the Philippines, I always buy this flavor. And you haven't tried Mogu Mogu?
No, never.
Let's see if you like it.
Gotta chew? Oh, there's like a coconut?
You know, nata de coco?
Yes. Smells like Sprite and Yakult. It tastes like Yakult mixed with Sprite. It's fun to drink.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay guys, see you again in our next vlog. Bye!
Bye guys. A little under this one. Feels like a shirt.
Wow! Aking paningin.
Say it slowly.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin.
I thought you were mine. I said that. Replay that.
You're mad at me?
No.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I'll find her Facebook. What about that?